Your girl Ebony Eyes, and I wanted to introduce my new YouTube channel. First things first, what I want and need y'all to do is hit that subscribe button. There will be a link above or below this video, so y'all ain't got no excuse as to why y'all haven't subscribed yet. Earlier this week, I did do a poll on my Instagram at Ebony Eyes Beauty Bar, and I said, hey, do y'all want me to do more colorful looks or more neutral looks? Of course, the colorful looks won. But me, myself, I am more of a natural person, so today I incorporated both of those looks today. I did a natural color on top, neutral color, with a pop of color at the bottom. So if you want to see more videos, if you want to see anything specifically, if you want to learn anything, let me know, and I got you. Hit that subscribe button now.